Hi guys, good morning. The time now is 6 AM and nakapaghilamos na ako and everything kasi mag-gym ako ngayon. I'm just waiting for my friends to pick me up. We're going to the gym today, so I'm just going to get ready. Naka-mesh top lang ako and then this sports bra from Shopee lang. And then my pants is from Cotton On. Ayan, I am on my way down. And then anyway, I will just wait outside. And it's pretty cold. By the way, nag-ano lang ako. Wala akong makeup na ngayon. As in, lip tint lang. Para lang magkaroon ng buhay yung face ko. Kasi ang putla ko. I'll just wake my sisters up since it's almost their class na rin. Hey! So yeah, this is their room, by the way. My sister's room. It's... What time's your class, Chloe? 8:20. Oh my god, you still have leftovers here, dude. Look at her. That's from last night. She didn't even ligpit. My gosh. My hair is a mess. I know. And yes, ganito talaga ka-messy yung hair ko every morning. At ayan na sila. Papag-hi ko kayo. Hi! Mag-hi kayo.
So early na.
Oo nga. This is Iha. Mag-hi ka. Hi. And then si Colleen, siya yung nagda-drive. And then si Micah.
Wala pa siya shoes.
Oh my gosh. Anong time na? Time check, 6:39 AM. Nahiya ako sa inyo. Every Thursday, nag-ano kami. Carpool. Sinusundo kami ni Colleen. Kasi we all live in the same village lang. Nahiya sila actually. Ako, medyo nahiya din ako. Pero, ayan, talagang, ito yung way. Oh, yan. Dito kami dadaan. Tapos, pipirma lang kami. Mas ayan yung mall. As in, wala pa talagang tao. Sa gym lang meron. Tap. Hi, Gab! Ang aga! We're just waiting for the class. Ayan siya.
And my dad.
So, ayan. Ito siya. Hi, kuya. Mag-hi ka.
Hi. Kukunin ko mamaya.
So, ito siya. Pound by pound peeps. Ang pangit natin. Hi, Gab. Pagan ka ba? Sobrang wala kayo masyadong pawis ngayon. In fairness, ang daming gumising ng maaga. Ba't ayaw mag-focus na yan? O, diba? Nagpaganda lang ako, sorry. Waiting lang kami for our next workout. Actually, hindi man ako masyadong pinawisan kasi hindi ko alam, hindi talaga ako pinapawisan. Uy, pero ang ganda ng lighting dito. Say hi to my vlog. Say hi to my vlog. Oh, pawis bro. Lala. Dahil naman dito, Gab. Huwag ka mahiya, Gab. Just got home and I'm going to shower na. It's almost 10 a.m. So I need to shower and then prepare na for work. Balikan ko kayo later. Okay. Hi guys, I'm back. Now I have already showered. I've already fixed myself. And it is already 11 a.m. mga ganong time. And I'm on my way to work. Okay, so sinet up ko pa talaga. And I don't even know if you can see me right now, but I hopefully nakikita nyo. So it's already 11:11. Oh, 11:11. Wait lang, magpa-music tayo. Sorry if a while ago hindi ako masyadong nakapagsalita or something. Meron pang mga next classes, so ang maingay na, so wala na talaga kaming time to even converse or something. By the way, please bear with me kasi hindi talaga ako marunong mag-vlog. I don't even know if I'm doing it the right way. So hindi ko talaga sure if I don't even know if maganda yung kalalabasan ng first vlog ko. And if pangit siya, baka I might not even upload it at all. So ayun, I don't know. Sana hindi kayong ma-disappoint if upload ko man siya. Usually, that's what we do every, Thursday. Once a week lang kami gumigising ng maaga, ng 7 a.m. Kasi, once a week lang din yung class na yun. Sabay kami mga 3 to 4 times a week. So, ayun, nag-start ako maging active with my gym. Siguro mga January 14, to be exact. Kasi yun yung kakauwi namin from Japan. Tapos parang naisip ko, oh my gosh, ang dami ko nakain. So parang mag-gym na ako. Last year kasi I was a little active. Nagbo-boxing ako, ganyan. Pero parang ito yung parang talagang everyday, as in 5 times a week. Tapos nung nag 1 month na 6 times a week ako dire-diretso nag-gym. So parang may rest day lang ako na 1. So parang naisipan ko na mag-video ako. Siguro upload ko, after ko upload tong vlog na to, mag-video ako nung sa gym kung anong ginagawa. This is what I usually do on a daily basis, except for weekends of course. Yung day-to-day life na ginagawa ko, it's pretty boring and I didn't want to do a vlog because I feel like people won't be interested naman in my life. Feeling ko like parang, diba, I mean, why would they be interested naman in my life? I feel like it's boring naman or something. There's nothing special or there's nothing, parang ganun. Tinry ko na lang siya para at least, diba, I mean, I don't know. And nga pala, lagi akong nakasalamin guys kasi malabo talaga yung mata ko. Dito na tayo, park lang ako. Oh my gosh, feeling ko talaga maboboard kayo sa vlog guys. I don't think there's something interesting in my vlog, you know what I'm saying? But anyhow, I'm just gonna do it, whatever. Yaman na. Andito na tayo, babawiin ko pa ba? Tara, let's go! Yan, so, kuya, mag-hi ka.
Hi, ma.
Mag-hi ka, mag-hi ka. So, ayan, I am already at work. Wait lang, ayusin natin to. And I am already at work. And, set up ko lang yung things ko. Yes, never mind yung background. Ayan talaga, parents ko talaga. Remove this first. So,
Hey, you're here!
Hey! Say hi to my vlog.
I'm expecting your presence today.
Say hi to my vlog. Introduce yourself.
Oh, is this an interview?
No, this is going to be like my everyday vlog. A day in my life. So introduce yourself. I'm always with him, by the way. We always have lunch together.
Hello, everyone. My name is Russell.
Do you have a boyfriend?
I don't have a boyfriend. I have a future ex-boyfriend.
What does that mean?
Oh, he'll be my ex in the future.
Sana if break kayo, syempre you don't want to go to that place anymore kasi...
Oh, yeah.
Pero you're still, in a way, talking. Lunch break namin and yan si Kuya Jeff.
Hi.
Si Ate Dana. Pero favorite ko talaga to. So, katapos lang namin mag-lunch. Tapos ko lang sa work. So, ayun. Uwi muna ako sa bahay. And, yan. Baba lang ako ng car and then I'll see you later. Kuya, nagbablog ako. Mag-hi ka. Saan si Kuya Joey?
Nandiyan naman.
Sige.
Ay, paano niya?
Mads!
Hello, my friend!
Makikita ka dito, ha? Hindi, ano, a-upload ko. Antay, abangan mo lang.
Ito si Nicole, maganda.
Ano pa? Magsabi ka pa.
Ay, Nicole, ang ganda mo.
Gaano ka nakatagal dito, Mads?
Na?
Gaano ka nakatagal dito?
9 taon na po ako dito.
9 years ka na. Sinong alaga mo?
Si Apo Paul po. Ito si Nicole, mabait to.
Mabait daw? Oo, no? Binigyan kita ng pera eh. Ano ba?
Ikaw, ma'am, hindi ka nagmamadali.
Hindi naman.
Nakapunta, pare. Ha? Robinson?
Mabati na siya sa Mabay. Sa kabila.
Doon sa kabila! Sa kabila!
Ano po, ole?
Ano po? Ba't nagpapo ka pa sa akin, Pili?
Saan pupunta, Nicole?
Punta ko si Bong. Magkita kami.
Boyfriend ni si Bo. Nicole.
Ikaw may boyfriend ka o girlfriend? Babae ka na ba ngayon o lalaki?
Ang bababae yan, ma'am.
Secret.
Ano, di ba? Wait lang, babae siya talaga. Pero, pinanganak siya babae. Pero, ano ngayon, babae, may boyfriend ka na?
Iwalay na po kami.
Iwalay ka na. So, babae na ulit yung gusto mo.
Opo.
Ayan sila Kuya Joe.
Hello!
Ayan.
Mahihayin ako, ma'am. Hello! Paalam ka dun sa camera.
Oh, mag-bye ka na.
Bye-bye. Nicole, ingat.
Bye! Hey, say hi to my vlog! We're already here in Chloe's school and Adrian. Hey, Chloe! Hi, sister!
Yung ano mo? Yung bag mo.
Hey! Dude, sobra. Because I know, I plank every day, that's why. Kaya what I'll do is dapat daw nakaganon na lang.
Oo, mas okay.
Hi, ano po, Oreo, yeah, dalawang Oreo milk tea lang, small lang. Pearl or po? Okay na po. Thank you. Where? Why, you like him? No. Speak there na. Your order is there. Pareho lang yan, it's the same. And then if Chloe, it's her first time drinking this Oreo milk tea. She's gonna give it a shot. Because for me, I really don't like milk tea. The only thing that I like is the one in Gongcha, yung winter melon nila. With Oreo, of course. And then this one also with the Oreo milk tea. It's really good. But like, in general, I don't really like milk tea or tea. Ay, ito na, kuya. Okay na. Thank you. Okay, so he's already here. Lang, coffee ba?
You wanna eat?
Where?
Fortune?
Did you eat na? No, I don't like in Fortune. Let's eat somewhere. Where else? Careful lang.
Hi guys!
I'm not even gonna say anything else.
Hi guys!
That's it.
Welcome to Nix's vlog. Pamira.
Sobrang init. Sobrang init talaga.
Baby. Hi guys!
No, hi guys! We're going to eat at Army Navy. We're just waiting for our order. Favorite ko yung ano nila, carbonara and yung wings nila na chipotle. Sorry pala, sa lashes quite magulo na siya. Medyo ano na kasi, kailangan ko nang magpagawa or retouch na for my lashes. After this, we might go to the office and then I don't know pa our plans. Pero basically, ganito yung ginagawa ko daily or most of the time. That's why I didn't really want to vlog kasi I feel like my life is not that interesting naman and baka ma-bored lang kayo, right?
Yes.
You didn't even pay attention to what I said. Ganyan siya. Kahit di na narinig, oo na lang siya. Kailangan to. It's for my daughters. Pero I ordered this one, carbonara, and you're such a pig. Carbonara and some hot wings, pero pina-separate ko yung sauce niya para hindi ganun ka-sweet. But the sauce is chipotle and yung fried chicken niya and this one. So we just finished eating and Are you full? We're just waiting for our takeout. And then he's gonna have coffee. Kasi every time we eat, talagang hindi pwedeng walang coffee. Kasi sobrang favorite niya talaga yung coffee. Ako, sakto lang. Hindi ko talaga type. Let's go. Wow! Is that you? Are you opening the door for me?
Sobrang plastic na. You fought for your equality eh. So dapat marunong kayo how to handle yourselves.
What are you
But
saying?
Ano?
Chubs! Hi! Say hi to my vlog. Dude, you need to say hi talaga.
Hello, hi.
Hi, hello! So, ito yung itsura ng office. That's Uls and that's Lau. They're setting up something in their computer lang.
Pare!
Ayan. So, ayan. Kabila. Hi! Mag-hi kayo.
Hello.
Sa vlog ko, ayan. Maraming gamit. So, yun. Ito yung pinakamasungit na tao sa buong mundo. Talaga, sobra na. Dude, wait! Baba, look at Chubby! Hindi, a day in my life nga eh. So, bawal ako mag-skip ng anything.
So, ako mas nagpakarap yung vlog.
Wait lang. This is the natural me. Subscribe kayo sa akin ha, seryoso. Pag nag-500 na yung subscribers ko, magpapag-giveaway ako. Totoo, magpapag-giveaway ako. Subscribe kayo ha. Sabihin nyo din sa mga nakasubscribe ba sa akin? Ever? Never. Liar, never. Buti kasi lang yung tatlong website niya.
Ano tatlo? Lima!
Yung 5 niya nakasubscribe sa akin.
Alam mo na, hindi ka na tumigil magsalita dyan.
Oh, pakita mo naman okay yung relationship natin sa vlog.
Oo! Joke lang. Love you.
Bong, hindi mo talaga pinakitang love mo ako sa video. Kaya tandaan mo yan. Okay, kunyari, huwag kang mag-ingay. Kunyari, pupunta ka lang. Wait lang, doon ka muna. Tapos nagtatype ako, bigla kang magkikis sa akin. Okay.
Ano yan?
Yeah! Galing mo, bro.
Message. Konti lang talaga sa website.
So, the time now is already 6:28 p.m. and I'm still here and I'm not yet done encoding. Ito, dami. It's already 7:31 p.m. and I'm still editing my vlog and we're still here in the office. Then, and Bambi.
Range ng oras nila. 1 minute lang. Isa sa isang minuto, 2 pa. Delete mo yun. Ayusin mo yun. Sisirain ko yung camera mo, totoo.
Okay, time check. It is already 8:38 p.m. and we're still here. Hi.
What's up?
Hi. Watch her vlog also. Pupost ko dito, no? Parang siya yung reason kaya nag-vlog ako, guys. Siya talaga. Here, pupost namin dito. 9:21 p.m. and... Uy, baby, yung mouse ko.
Bakit yung today, yung
Mouse
video
ko.
pa ano, parang wala kang ginagawa sa
Hindi, vlog nga. Eh, ganito naman kasi talaga ginagawa ko lang naman mag-pretend ako, no? Ingat, okay?
Bye-bye!
Cut mo na lang, calls.
Bye-bye all, bye all, bye all. Yun, usually wala namang interesting sa life ko na nangyayari. Ganito lang talaga most of the time. Yan. Yan na siya. It is already 10 p.m. and I just got home and nahatid na nila ako. So, na-stress na ang face ko. I'm so tired because I woke up at 6 a.m. So, I'm super sleepy na. So, yun. I'll probably sleep early tonight. I'm on my way up. Sobrang pagod ko, pero like, I feel like sobrang productive naman tong day na to. I've accomplished a lot of things naman. So, sana talaga okay. It would turn out fine. Sana it wouldn't be ugly or something. CR lang ako, and then yun. So ito, I'm just removing my makeup lang with my favorite micellar water. And actually sobrang inaantok na talaga ako ngayon. As in, yun, dumi. Sobrang antok ko na talaga. I feel like my eyes are giving up on me. But, syempre, kailangan maalis yung makeup muna and everything before going to bed. Dahil, if hindi, my gosh, baka magka-pimple na naman ako. Ngayon, nagkakaroon ako ng pimple here and there, but it's not that extreme, katulad nung before ko. Oh, yeah. Anyway, oh my god, tinan mo, bilis na niyang malubat talaga. Anyway, guys, I'm done vlogging. So, ayun. Thank you guys for watching. And I hope you enjoyed this vlog. So, matutulog na ako niyan actually. Thank you guys for watching and see you on my next video. Bye!